everyone, today I will talk about animals. Animals are into groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates have bones and a backbone. They are big and strong. Some are warm-blooded and some are cold-blooded. Warm-blooded animals keep their bodies warm. They can live anywhere, even in cold places. They move fast and stay healthy. Examples are mammals and birds. Cold-blooded animals change with weather. They use the sun to get warm. They don't need much food and can live long. Examples are reptiles, fish, and frogs. Invertebrates have no backbone. They can stand on many legs. They are small and have many kinds. They have many groups: insects, annelids, arachnids, crustaceans, mollusks, echidnas. Thank you for listening.